Hello everyone, welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to draw a diagonal line in Microsoft Word table. Click wherever you want to draw a diagonal line. Go to Table Design. Here we have borders. Click into the drop-down list. Here we have diagonal down border, diagonal up border. I will choose diagonal up border. Now the issue how to write text here and here. Type your text. Okay, I want month to be here and sales to be here. Select this text, go to home. Here we have superscript and select cells. Click into subscript. You can change the font size as you wish. Now it is done. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and leave your feedback in the comment.